Crack of dawn, it's Friday. Feel the energy? That's the thrill of the weekend knocking. But first, a moment to ignite your passion and conquer your goals. Picture this, you're on the field, the court, the pitch. No matter the game, it's the same flame. The drive to strive, to thrive. Here's the secret though. Passion isn't just for the weekend warrior, it's the fuel that fires the everyday grind. The 9 to 5, the hustle and bustle, the daily battle, it's the spark that turns dreams into reality. So remember, whether you're lacing up your boots, tightening your tie, or simply starting your day, carry that Friday fire with you. From the first whistle to the final bell, ignite your passion, conquer your goals. Friday vibes? They're not just for Fridays, welcome them every day. And watch how the ordinary becomes extraordinary.
In the grand scheme of life, there comes a moment to cleanse, to detoxify, not just the body, but the mind, the spirit. Picture this, releasing all that no longer serves you. Imagine the liberation, the freedom, the space created for growth, for new beginnings. Now, invite in positivity, light, into every aspect of your life. Visualize it permeating your being, illuminating your path, guiding your journey. The power lies within you, in your choices, your attitudes, your actions. Embrace this cycle of release and renewal, of letting go and welcoming in. It's a dance, a rhythm, a balance as old as time, as fresh as the dawn. Step into this dance, sway to this rhythm, strike this balance, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Remember, the key to growth, to transformation, lies in release and renewal. So release, renew, transform, repeat. Take a moment today, every day, to release, to renew, to transform. Because you are worth it. Your life is worth it.
Ever looked at a glass half filled with water and wondered if it's half empty or half full? Well, the answer lies within your perspective. It's your mindset that paints the picture. Just like that glass, each moment of your life can be seen from two angles. You can focus on the voids, the lack, the half empty. Or you can shift your gaze to the fullness, the abundance, the half full. The same applies to your goals, your dreams, your challenges. If you see them as mountains too high to climb, you've already lost half the battle. But if you see them as opportunities, as stepping stones to greater heights, then you're already halfway there. So remember, it's all in the mindset. You hold the brush, you paint the canvas. The rest of your week is waiting, brimming with possibilities. Stopping isn't an option. Keep pushing, keep striving, because you're stronger than you think. Half empty or half full, you decide.
Catch the morning sun, feel its warmth, and welcome another day of renewed strength and vigor. Gifted to us by the universe, each day is a canvas to paint our story, a melody to compose our song. Pause for a moment, breathe in deeply, appreciate the simple joys that often go unnoticed. A new day, a new strength, a new opportunity. Yesterday, a chapter in the past, has etched its lessons in our hearts. Tomorrow, veiled in mystery, holds the promise of the unexpected. But today is a gift, a present, an immediate opportunity. So, honor this gift with gratitude, for it's within the confines of today that we can make a difference. Within these hours, we can shape our destiny, touch lives, and create memories. Remember, a thankful heart is a magnet for miracles. So embrace this day, this moment, this now. Thank God for another day of life, another day of renewed strength. Paint your story, compose your song, and make the best of today. After all, it's the greatest gift you've got.
Are you still pounding the pavement, hitting the gym, or has the allure of the snooze button taken over? No judgment here. It's all about progress, not perfection. Maybe you pledged to eat healthier. Perhaps you're exploring new recipes, or you've hit a roadblock. Remember, it's okay to adjust your goals. Maybe a cheat day once a week will keep you on track. Or is your resolution about learning a new skill or managing finances better? Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Celebrate small successes like saving an extra $10 or mastering a new chord on the guitar. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about self-compassion and realistic goal setting. Stay committed, but don't beat yourself up if you stumble. After all, resolutions are about becoming a better you, one day at a time. And that's a wrap. See you in the next check-in. Keep going, you're doing great.
Imagine holding the power to elevate your life in your hands. It's there, nestled between your fingers, waiting to be unleashed. God has given us this power, but there's a catch. We have to acknowledge our weaknesses first. Strength isn't about being invincible. It's about knowing where you falter, where you stumble, and then picking yourself up. It's about facing that weakness, staring it down and saying, "You don't define me, I define myself." Remember, a diamond is just a piece of charcoal that did well under pressure. So don't be afraid of your weaknesses. Embrace them. Use them as stepping stones to rise higher, to become stronger. You hold the power to elevate your life. Use it and see the change blossom within you.